everybody, in this video I've got a knot of padlocks right here. I'm just going to pick this one open, and that's going to just do it for these. I won't see them on camera anymore after this. We have a key for this one that I made. It's a 68776 is the bidding on it. And this will be the last one of these I'm going to be opening on camera here. I've actually got 16 more Americans I've had for like a month or more that I never even took out of the box. That package is still not even open. That was almost too easy. But what the hell, we got it anyway. Oh, turned it the wrong way. That would have been good. Yeah, let's see what we got for key pins here. I mean, all the drivers are so long. You know, the bidding on it's 688 or 68776, so you really wouldn't feel any security pins if any are even in here. So one's serrated, 2 is serrated, 3 is serrated, 4 serrated, and 5 is serrated as well. So we've got, looks like just 5 serrated pins, no spools. But that really wouldn't matter. These really wouldn't feel the spools anyway. But anyway, it's gonna do it for that 1100. And I guess once I find some more locks to pick or open some locks that I've got laying around here out of the package, we'll be posting some more videos. So until then, we'll talk to everybody later.